Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the third problem of Leetcode Weekly contest 384, which is maximum palindromes after operations. So what is the problem statement? The problem statement says that we have a array of string words. Now words will contain in different strings, and what we have to do, what operations we can do, we can change any two characters of any two strings, right? So here you can see that we can select any two characters. Maybe they are from the same string or maybe they are from the different string, and we can swap them. And after that we have to find the maximum number of palindromes after performing any such type of operations. So let's look at the first example. So let me copy this. Mm, so words contains three different strings. The first one is ABBB, the second one is BA, and the third one is A. Now let's see what they does. So what they does is that they have replaced the this character with this character. Okay, so what will happen, the first string will be BBBB. So the first string will be they are replacing this character with this character. So the first string will be all B's. So they are replacing this, so this will be B and this will be A. So the first string is also a palindrome, the second string is also a palindrome, the third is already a palindrome. So the answer will be, okay, the answer will be 3. Okay, so what is how we can solve this problem, what is the first observations we can make? So let's look at the observation. So first look at the constants. So constants on n is what, 1000, and the constants on length of the words is 100. So we have total around 10 to the power 5 characters, 10 to the power 5 characters. So order of total characters is possible. So order of total characters or total characters log n is possible. Now first observation is what? The first observation is that we can replace any two characters of any two strings. That means that we can build this all strings again from start. Okay, so we have three strings of length 4, 2 and 2. So what we can do, we don't have to minimize the operation, so we can start building the strings from the start with the frequency of characters. So what we have number of frequency of A is what, the number of frequency of A is I think A 1 to 4. A is present 4 times and B is present also 4 times. So we have 4 A's and 4 B's, and with that we have to build a string of length 4, a string of length 2 and a string of length 2. So and we have to make them palindrome. So how we can do that? So what will be the optimal approach? The first approach that comes to my mind is that we will try to take, let's say, what is a palindrome? A palindrome means it starts and ends with if we read from the start and read from the end, that will be same. So let's say there is a string of length 4. Okay, now we have to make a palindrome. How we can make that? We'll take two A's and put at the first position and the second last position. Okay, that is done. Now A is present 2 times, and now we'll take this A again and put in the third position and the second position. So now this is a palindrome. Now A is present 0 times. Now let's say we have a string of length 2. Now we will take B and put here and put here. Similarly again we'll put B and B. Okay, that's how we are constructing our answer. Now is the order important, that we are first filling the string of length 4? Yes, the order is definitely important. So let's take one example that will show you that order is, how the order is important. Okay, so let's say our string is like there are two strings present, one is AABB and the second one is CDC. Okay, uh, I think no, this I will explain this case later. So let's take another example. What would be this? The first string is nothing but A B C D, and the second string is D E F. Okay. Now, what are the frequency? Let's count the frequency. A is present once, B is present once, C is present once, D is present twice, E is present once, and again F is present once. Now we'll try to build a string of length 4. A string of length 4. So we'll put we have two D 2 times, so we'll put D twice. But now we can't put anything else, because we have e1s and ape1s and all the other character ones, so we can't make it palindrome. So but we have wasted 2 Ds, right? We have wasted 2 Ds. So that's why the approach of approach of building the strings in any order will not work. So we have to just sort them based on their length. So let's say we have tried to build def first, then we will succeed. So let's say we have tried to build def first. So if we try to build def first, we'll put d here 2 times. Now we have to put any character in the third box. So let's say put a. Okay, so that's why we have built one palindrome if we are sorting in the ascending order, order of the length. So this is the second observation. That the first observation is that we are building the strings again with the frequency. The second observation is that when we are building the strings, we have to sort them in ascending order of their length and try to build. And what is the third observation? Third observation is that if some let's say the case I am explaining, that something like AABB, and we have something like CDC. Okay, AABB and CDC. Now let's count the frequencies. Let me change the color. So let's say A appears 2 times, B appears 2 times, C appears 2 times, and D appears 1 time. Now let's go try to build the first string of length 3. Okay, so we are trying to build the first string of length 3. So we'll put E twice here, and now we have only one character left. But our if we go with our default algorithm, we'll put because A will be now 0. Now we'll try to put B, so we'll put B here, but 1B is wasted. Now we can't build the second string of length 4. So what if instead of putting D here, we'll put B here. Instead of putting B here, we are putting D. Now we can put 2B's here and 2C's here, and this is our palindrome. So what is this approach is that let's say we have some odd characters left. Okay, so first what we will try to put the even occurrences of the character. Let's say we have put A and B. A is here in the first and third position, but we'll just make will not just put a D or B in the second in the middle position, because this is a odd position. We'll try to construct the second string, third string, like all the after constructing all the strings, we'll take uh, all the remaining characters, and we'll try to put in the odd positions. So let's look at the code. Okay, now look at the code. Let's this is odds means that the number of odd occurrences are left. That means let's say these positions, so number of these positions are left. So what we will try, will let's say D is our frequency array. The map will contain D of A will contain the number of occurrences of A, like that. Okay, so what we are trying to do, we are sorting the L is our length array. We are sorting the length, and we are iterating over it from ascending order, from lowest to smallest to largest, you can say. And we are trying to construct W equals to C comma C modulo 2. That means that if the length of the string is 3, we'll try to construct it. We'll try to take only 2 characters, because the third character we'll put at last. Similarly, we'll take dj equals to dj modulo 2. So let's say dj is also 5, then we'll only use 4 characters. Okay, so we are taking minimum of w comma p, and we are doing c minus equals to p and dj minus equals to p. And if c equals to 0, that means that this is our even length string, and we have done constructing it. So we are doing answer plus equals to 1. Okay, and if c equals to 1, that means this is our odd character, odd length string, and only the middle character is left. So we'll do odds plus 1. Now after constructing everything, we have sum of d dot values left. That means this number of characters are left, and we have to put odds middle characters. So we'll take minimum of sum of d dot values and odds, and we are adding it to the answer, and at the end we are returning answer. I hope you understand what my explanation about my explanation. What are these 3 points? The first observation, second and third, both of three of them are important. If you have any doubt in any part of the explanation or any part of the code, you can ask in the comment section. I will try to reply each and every comment. I will provide the link of the code in the description box. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.